Hey guys, my name is Sergio from Mexico, and I just want to share my excitement about the S.O.L.D system. If you ask me what it's all about, I can simply put it this way: it's a lead generating masterpiece. Like Nakimbe and the staff show you the way step by step. Like with this, you can say like goodbye to the guesswork and say hello to leads. It's that simple that anyone can do it. And what I most like it about it is like it's really cool to have like a super mentor guiding you through the maze of lead generation. Like you have your own marketing guru cheering you on, and it's amazing. I have only been part of this program for a couple of months, and I know this is a game changer. Thanks Nakimbe for all your support and your guidance, and I'm really looking forward to see where can I go with this.